Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Review. So today we are reviewing a kitchen utensil holder. If you are interested, I'll put a link in my video description where you guys can get this direct. And as you know, most of all my links are linked to Amazon. Amazon is the safest place, I personally believe, where you can buy stuff because they offer returns and it's the best place to get items. Oh, that's nice. That is very, very nice. And you can see on the bottom it has the same material used for coasters, but it's sealed inside. Look at the design. That's nice. That's going to match our kitchen really nice. I like the black, like if you can see the brush strokes in there, it goes down. That's really nice. Okay, let's go ahead and use it. Alright, as you can see, wow, we can hold a lot of utensils in here, and this is all we have, but it could also definitely hold even more. So this is definitely going to be a good asset for us. Before we would put them in our kitchen drawer, and have you ever had the problem where you would close your kitchen drawer and a utensil would be sticking too high and you'd have to reposition it? Well, we won't have to worry about that anymore. I like it, the color, the design. It's big enough that it holds a lot, but it's not overly bulky, so I definitely can give it 8.7 out of 10. Very impressed, very happy with it. Links in my video description if you're interested.